Welcome to our guide on essential tools and equipment for beginners in gold mining. We will cover the basic items required to kickstart your gold mining journey. From gold pans to sluice boxes, we'll explore the gear needed for efficient prospecting. Understanding these tools is vital for maximizing your chances of finding gold. Stay tuned to learn about the must-have equipment for successful gold mining endeavors. Discover the cornerstone of gold mining tools, the gold pan. Learn about the various types of pans available and master the art of using them effectively. We will share expert tips on how to enhance your gold panning skills and increase your chances of finding precious gold particles. Understanding the nuances of gold pans is essential for any beginner in the gold mining world. Dive into the world of sluice boxes, a powerful tool for efficient gold processing. Uncover how sluice boxes can aid you in processing larger volumes of material to uncover hidden gold treasures. Explore different sluicing techniques designed to enhance your gold recovery rates. Mastering the art of using sluice boxes and adopting effective sluicing methods can significantly boost your success in gold mining. Explore the significance of metal detectors in the realm of gold prospecting. Understand the functionality of metal detectors and the optimal ways to utilize them for uncovering gold deposits. Discover the best practices for maximizing your success with metal detectors and learn about other essential prospecting tools that can complement your search for gold. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively use metal detectors and various prospecting tools in your quest for gold. Ensuring safety is paramount in the world of gold mining due to inherent risks involved. Discover essential safety precautions and best practices to safeguard yourself while exploring for gold. Gain valuable tips on how to stay safe during fieldwork and learn how to minimize the environmental impact of your gold mining activities. Prioritizing safety and environmental responsibility is key to a successful and sustainable gold mining experience.